My higher education journey started at a small community college in Maryland, and honestly, it didn't go well. I wasn't there for long. When I moved to Portland several years later and enrolled at PCC, my experience was much different. A friend of mine suggested that I apply for a program called STEM, which was designed to ease transfer shock and introduce students to the world of research. Through this program, I met my research advisor, Dr. Elliot Gall, and together we carried out an indoor air quality study at Harriet Tubman Middle School, which was built in close proximity to Interstate 5. I'm currently developing a device called the Cocoon, which is a low-cost, do-it-yourself air cleaner that can be used during wildfire events. One of the best parts about PSU is that there's such a strong sense of community. It's been a great experience meeting like-minded people and making lifelong friends. We've studied together, struggled together, and got through things together.